20 years in the business, we have become one of the biggest names in water blasting equipment in Africa. We stock a wide variety of high-quality water blasting tools and UHP pumping systems, ranging from 1 psi up to 55,000 psi. Our very own CE-rated ultra-high pressure Tuff suit able to withstand water jetting blasts up till 2,800 bars of water jet blasts. Africatuff is more than just a supplier of water jetting equipment. We are a dedicated family that fulfills all our clients' specific custom hydro jetting needs. We supply the industry's largest range of water jetting parts ranging from 1 psi up to 55,000 psi, all at unbeatable prices including service kits universally compatible. Our ultra-high pressure water jetting pump parts will work on a wide variety of universally compatible water jetting brands, components, and service kits, such as Jetstream compatible, NLB compatible, flow and stonage compatible, HP and UHP pumps, parts and systems, UHP equipment servicing and repairs, as well as hydro jetting safety equipment. Whether it be on-site staff training, both theory and practical, Africatuff's highly trained technicians will arrive on site and conduct a complete training course in full compliance with water jetting associations, best practices in water jetting and blasting. If you have a specific need, our highly trained staff will create custom solutions to your specific custom hydro jetting needs. Contact us now. Email sales@africatuff.co.za or call at sales office 032-940-6691. For technical help, email our technical department, technical@africatuff.co.za. We will go the extra mile for you. Because it ain't tough if it ain't Africatuff. Africa's top-performing OEM specialist in HP and UHP pump systems and equipment supplier, Africatuff.